So okay, we are going to discuss about a new topic, our star pattern, which is a rhombus pattern. So rhombus pattern means we have a equal number of a star, equal number of a star in each row, but the spaces is decreasing in every step of the row. You can see here row 1 we have full star, but spaces is also not decreased. In step 2 you can see here the space is one step decreased, and here 2 step, and here is 3 steps. So here we are going to include our variable, which are I is for row, j is for spaces, k is to print both, and n is for our how many star we want, n is for that. Now we are going to write a loop for a row which will be I is equal to 1. In that scenario I is less than or equal to n. In that scenario I plus plus, because we are going to create, this is for a row. So row we have how many? 4. So here there is no decrement in a row, only the decrement happen in a spaces. For that reason, for j is equal to, now what are we going to do? We are going to decrement the spaces. For that reason, so j is equal to what we need. So j is equal to 1. In that scenario j will be less than or equal to n minus 1 minus, let's I I minus 1. In that scenario we are going to decrement our spaces. Right, now simply print. So this is for a spaces, I'm going to leave it empty for that reason. Okay, so now we will go for the next loop, which will be for so here we are for k is equal to 1, k is less than or equal to n. In that scenario k plus plus. So we are going to print the, okay, so we are going to print the k. Now we are going to print ij. So in that reason, so okay, here we are. So k, now what are we going to print? Oh, okay, so we are going to print f here backslash n. Right, now let's see in our terminal, we will get the same result or different. So we did not get that one. Okay, we make a mistake here. Let's see here, let's put one curly bracelet. Right, now let's check it out. So yeah, what we made a mistake here is we did not put the loop inside, we put outside the loop. For that reason it did not print us a full row and with the complete rhombus pattern. So this is how we can create this pattern. Okay, let's see our debugging. Now we have our I. Okay, what is going to happen, we will see that. Now I we have which we are going to start from 1, and it will go up to the end, that is 4. So it is going to up to the 4. So I is 1 first of all, then j will also be a 1. Right, and it is going to print our star first star, and then again it is going to print up to 4 times 4 stars. So we need one first of all, now it only print 1, now it's going to print 2 3 4. Right, it's going to print up to 4 times 2, now 3, now 4, now it's going to go into the I, right? Okay, so yeah, it end the line and it go into the next line and it go into the I again. So in I, it's going to change into a 2, and yes, again J will be, so J is for the spaces, it's going to decrement one time, yeah, one spaces here, and then you can see it decrement one spaces, and then it go a little bit back, and then after again go to the key for printing, right? Now here, so 0, so 1, again 2, again 3, again 4. Okay, now it's going to check and go into the another line, again go into the I, and again it's going to change into 3. Now here we have a two spaces. Now it is going to create a two spaces, and again it will going to go into key and print up to 4 times. So 1 time, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star. So now we are in which row? We are in this row, in a third row. So now we are going into the fourth row. So yes, again I will be a 4, and J will gonna be changed, decrement this one more spaces, and yes, okay, 2, 3, and one more 4. Okay, so now it's going to print up to 4 times. So 1 star, 2 star, 3, and then 4, then it's going to change and the line, and then it will go into I and check if there is anything that we don't have, because it check up to 5. We don't have a 5, we only included already our value, that is 4, and it the loop got the fall condition, then after 5 it did not have a loop, and it come out of the loop, and it will just give us the rhombus pattern. So this is how it is going to print in our code.